Welcome back to the Public Health Hub. I am Dr. Neelab Pankaj, where we dive into the fascinating world of insects. Today, we are uncovering the tiny terror that changed the course of history, the rat flea, scientifically known as Xenopsila chepes. These tiny insects, barely a few millimeters long, are equipped with powerful legs for jumping and a mouth designed for one thing, blood-sucking. Rat fleas can leap up to 200 times their body length, making them incredibly efficient at finding hosts. But why are rat fleas so infamous? The answer lies in one of the deadliest pandemics in human history, the Black Death. In the 14th century, rat fleas played a crucial role in spreading Yersinia pestis, the bacterium that caused the plague. As infected rats died, their fleas sought new hosts, often humans. The bacteria were transmitted through flea bites, leading to the death of an estimated 25 million people in Europe. Let's take a closer look at the biology of rat fleas. After feeding on a host's blood, female fleas lay eggs in the host's nest or bedding. The larvae feed on organic debris and develop into pupae before emerging as adult fleas. Their life cycle allows them to thrive in close quarters with their hosts, ensuring a constant supply of blood meals. Today, rat fleas still pose a threat, especially in urban areas with high rodent populations. They can transmit various diseases, including murine typhus and tapeworms. Effective control measures include reducing rat populations, maintaining clean environments, and using insecticides to target fleas. Did you know there are over 2,500 species of fleas, but not all of them are as dangerous as the rat flea? Or that a flea can jump 30,000 times without stopping? These incredible feats make fleas some of the most fascinating yet fearsome insects. And let's bust some myths. Fleas don't have wings, they're just fantastic jumpers. And while they prefer warm-blooded hosts, they're not picky eaters. From spreading deadly diseases to their incredible jumping abilities, rat fleas have made a significant impact on history and continue to be a subject of fascination. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content about the insect world, human health and all. Stay curious and see you next time.